Hey everyone, today I'm going to explain how digital X-ray works. Digital X-rays are extremely helpful in medicine because they allow doctors to see inside the body without having to open it up. But how do they actually work? Well, that's what I'm here to explain. It all starts with the X-ray machine. Now this may look like a complicated piece of equipment, but it's really not that different from your everyday camera. Both of them have a power source, a tube, and a sensor. The X-ray tube is where the magic happens. Inside it, there's a vacuum and two electrodes, a cathode and an anode. When the machine is turned on, the cathode generates electrons. These electrons travel through the vacuum to the anode at the speed of light. When they hit the anode, they produce X-rays. Now these X-rays aren't like the X-rays you're probably imagining. They aren't big, bright and beautiful. In fact, they're just 1 nanometer in size. To put that into perspective, that's about the size of a quantum of light compared to a soccer ball. These tiny X-rays are perfect for seeing through the body because they can pass through skin, muscle, and even bone. However, when they hit something dense like a tumor or an implant, they get absorbed. By measuring how many X-rays get absorbed, we can build a 3D image of what's inside the body. But how do we measure that? Well, that's where the sensor comes in. The sensor is basically a big old camera that takes pictures of the X-rays. When the X-rays hit it, they produce a signal. The signal is then sent to an algorithm which creates an image. After that, the image goes to a radiologist who interprets it. Now there are two types of digital X-ray machines, those with the flat panel detector and those with the cassette. The ones with the cassette are cheaper and use film to capture the image. The ones with the flat panel detector are more expensive, but the images they produce are better quality. There are a lot of advantages to digital X-rays. For one, the images can be seen anywhere, anytime. This is great for doctors who need to collaborate. It's also great for patients who want to keep track of their own health. Additionally, digital X-rays are much faster than traditional ones. With a traditional X-ray, the film has to be developed. This can take up to an hour. With a digital X-ray, the image is available almost instantly. Finally, digital X-rays are more sensitive. This means that they can detect smaller tumors and other abnormalities that might not show up on a traditional X-ray. So next time you need an X-ray, be sure to ask for a digital one. It could save your life. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe and check out our other videos. We have a ton of great content coming up. Thanks again and see you next time.